Hello everyone! Just a quick reminder before we go to our video demonstration. Every time that you download the file, let's say from Big Sky, you have to click the Enable Editing button found on the upper screen. So let me zoom in. Okay, so you have to press this because otherwise Excel will not save your changes. Okay, so now we can proceed to our video demonstration. Hi everyone! Although I can see you, I can feel that you are all excited to have another demonstration in Advanced Office. Welcome to demo number 4. In this workbook, we will be using the following tools: clear contents and delete, replace, evaluate formula, trace precedence and dependence, protect sheet and workbook, creating hyperlinks, number formatting, and drop-down list. Now let us go to our first worksheet, which is Clear Contents, Replace. The first Excel feature that we will be using in this worksheet is Replace. Now before we use that tool, let us apply a conditional formatting rule for Amazon under column D. So to do that, select column D and then go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting in the middle, highlight cells rules, text that contains, and then let me zoom in, we will format cells that contain the text Amazon. So any color will do, but for me I will stick to the default color, which is light red fill with dark red text. Press OK, and all the cells under column D containing Amazon are now changed to red. Okay, now our objective is we want to replace all Amazon sales with Lazada. Okay, so let's say you changed your customer from Amazon to Lazada. Now, instead of manually looking for each cell, we can press Control F, okay, or Command F if you're using Mac. So if you will press Control F, it brings you to the Find and Replace tool. Go to Replace tab, and then we will find Amazon, and we will replace this with Lazada. Let me zoom out. Okay, if you are going to press the replace button, it will replace the cells one by one. But if you are going to press replace all, it will automatically replace all the cells that contain Amazon. So in this case, Excel made 21 replacements. Okay, so that's how you use replace feature in Excel. What is the difference between clear contents and delete? So let's say you want to remove our data here in our worksheet. Let us scroll up and we'll use clear contents. So to do that, let's select columns A until G. And then if you will right click, you will see that there is a clear contents option. So select this and notice that the values and the data are now removed. However, the format is still here. And if you want to remove the format as well, you will have to select delete. So again, select columns A to G, right click, and then choose delete. Okay, so if you are going to select clear contents, the data, the formulas, and numerical values will be removed, but the format will be retained. If you will choose delete, everything will be removed.